What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. We got another product review for you guys today. I'm really excited about this one. If you remember a couple videos ago, I actually went through and reviewed the Shine Armor Fortified Quick Coat. That is honestly, guys, hands down, like far and away better than any other waterless wash, quick detailer, anything like that I've ever used. Absolutely phenomenal product. Definitely go check it out. If you missed that video, I'll put a link right up here. And just like last time with the Fortified Quick Coat, guys, they did give us a discount code. It is JZ10 for this as well, or JZ10. I will put the discount code as well as a link to the website in the description below so you guys can go get some too. It is Black Friday. Take advantage of the opportunity. Today, however, we're gonna be doing the ones that I am the most excited for. Today, we're gonna be checking out the Shine Armor All-Purpose Interior Cleaner, as well as the Shine Armor Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. I gotta be honest with you guys, this right here is the one that I'm most excited about, specifically because these are the seats on the 94, and as you can see, I mean, I know it's kind of tough to tell on the camera, but these are pretty roach. They haven't had any real love or any real leather conditioner or anything like that. This is straight up gonna be kind of test results on 25-year-old leather seats that haven't been touched up. And I mean, as you can tell, they're pretty wore out, pretty tired, especially for a car that's only got 70,000 miles on it. Interestingly enough, if we come over here to the 95 car, you got the same kind of wear in the leather right over here, as well as down here on this bolster and stuff right as you're getting into the car. So we'll be doing this one next, but for now, let's get to work on this guy. Hopefully I'm not super washed out right here. The first thing you're gonna be doing when you go and apply this is make sure that the leather is gonna be free of all the dust, right? You don't want any dirt or anything like that. You're supposed to be using a terry cloth to go and massage this stuff in. I don't actually have one that I can find right now, so I'm just gonna be using another microfiber. But grab your bottle, shake well. Once you got that shook up, you're just gonna go and take a bit of it, put it on your microfiber or your terry cloth. Basically, we're just gonna go through and massage this in. So I'm gonna start up at the headrest and kind of work my way down. Once you got it worked in as best you can, you're gonna see a little bit of shine and stuff left on it. You're gonna want to go and take your other microfiber, nice and fold it into the quadrants just like we had on the last video, and then wipe off any remaining residue. Anyway, that's kind of the gist. I'm gonna go through and finish up the rest of the seat, and I will show you guys the finished product. All right guys, so first reaction, having done this, holy crap. This is insane. It is so much better. I'm not gonna go so far as to say they look like brand new seats because honestly, that'd just be a lie. But I mean, it looks a million times better. Like look down here at the bolster. I'll put an overlay on the other side of the screen right here too, just so we can have a comparison. That is so much better though. It is so much cleaner. Even the one down here, this is crazy good stuff. For anybody that has ever used leather cleaner, there's always two quintessential problems that you have when you're using this stuff. Number one, the seats are shiny. And number two, whenever you go to sit down in your car, it sounds like you're farting. Unfortunately, the farting thing is not something they have done away with here because you still have, I don't know how well you can hear it, but there's definitely that like leather squeak on your jeans. So, oh well, at least we don't have the shine. That's a plus. I did go ahead and do the backs as well as the passenger seat and stuff too. And this looks just insane. I mean, keep in mind, this car is a 1994. It's got a build date of December of 93. So these seats are, 25 years old. And this stuff, just seriously completely refresh these. This looks absolutely amazing. Highly recommend this stuff. I'm gonna go check out their interior cleaner next. So let's go see what that does. Now the all-purpose interior cleaner is gonna be kind of the same deal as the other two products. It's basically a spray on your microfiber cloth, wipe it on whatever surface you're gonna be cleaning, and then just wipe it right off after that. You don't want the product to go and dry or anything. Not entirely sure why, that's just what the directions say. I'd imagine that it probably leaves like a filmy residue or something like that if you don't, but yeah, so far, I mean, guys, I'm blown away. We're 2 for 2 on this stuff so far. The Fortified Quick Coat was fantastic. I mean, it is buttery smooth on the car now. It is absolutely incredible. And the leather cleaner too. I've used other leather cleaners before and they're a fraction of how good this stuff is. This is incredible. I'm blown away, so I don't know. Let's see, maybe we can go 3 for 3. All right, so I figure we'll start on the door card. As you can see here, I mean, we got some wear right in here. I'm gonna be using the leather cleaner on the armrest here because that is actually leather. And then the rest of this stuff, the door card itself is actually a vinyl, so we'll be safe to use the interior product on that. But I mean, it's pretty rough, I mean, it's got some sun fade and stuff. The previous owner of the car, I mean, this was her daily for years and years. She was the original owner from 1994. Let me grab a couple microfibers and then we'll get to work on this guy.
12 seconds later.
All right, so we just got done with the door panel, and overall, I'd say I'm pretty happy with it. I didn't really notice a dramatic effect on the door card, but it's also a 25-year-old door card, so I mean, it's got some sun fade and stuff too, especially toward the top. For any Supra owners, one thing I was a little worried about using the interior stuff on here was just this bit and how it would affect the paint or whatever this rubbery junk is that they use on these 90s panels. I know some products go and like peel that off, but this, I mean, that just honestly, that cleared it out really good. So, I mean, it's like it sucks the dust off and then just leaves it a nice, clean, fresh panel. I'm really happy with it. Anyway, the rest of this is super dusty, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the interior, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished result here. So give me a few minutes. All right, so when I said a few minutes, I meant quite literally a few minutes. I'm not a car detailer at all by trade. I just don't honestly have the patience for it, and so I pay people to go and buff it and make it all nice and shiny for me. That said though, what I do like to do, especially if I'm going out to like a car meet or an event or a show or anything like that, is just go and do like a little 10-minute quick touch up, hit it really quick, that kind of thing. So that's what I did on here. And honestly, I think the results are pretty awesome, guys. All right, so we got the seats done. Got the console and everything like that all up done. Dash is good. I wiped down both door cards and stuff as well. And one thing I'm always worried about is having the paint and stuff go peel on the panels and everything, like on the dash panels. And I mean, this is fantastic. It didn't leave any streaks. Honestly, I don't know what this stuff is made out of. It just like picks up the dust and then everything else is perfect. Like this looks amazing now. I'm really happy with how this turned out. All right, guys, that is officially a wrap for today's video. I hope y'all liked it. The leather cleaner from Shine Armor is absolutely fantastic. I know the camera probably didn't do the best job of picking it up, but those seats look 100 times better than what they did. They don't look brand new, obviously, but they're 25 years old. I mean, it's been parked outside from the previous owner. They've been well loved. Let's just put it that way. And after the leather cleaner, I mean, it's night and day difference. I'm absolutely floored. The interior cleaner is also on point. It is fantastic. If you have a Supra, you don't have to worry about a tune-up to finish on your dash panels or anything like that. So highly recommended there too. The discount code for those is gonna be JZ10 or JZ10. I will put that as well as a link to purchase the products in the description below. If you guys have any questions, anything like that, hit me up in the comment section. I would definitely love to go and keep this as a dialogue kind of going back and forth, so don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all very soon in the next video. Catch you next time.